For the last 5 months, I've been searching the internet, experimenting with as many AI tools as possible, every day. It's for this video, but you could also call it an obsession. I've taken my whole list of tools and narrowed it down to the best free options for everyone's use case. And I mean, it's actually free. Let's start with a couple that are just really fun to use. With Luma Labs, you're able to take a video on your phone and turn it into a fully interactive, highly detailed 3D scene like this that uses neural radiance fields or NURFs. They also released a new feature called interactive scenes that uses Gaussian splatting. And you don't have to know either of these terms. The interactive scenes have a small file size, so you can embed them anywhere or send it to a friend for them to explore. There's endless uses for this in real life. Estate agent, engineering, we'll start seeing this across tons of industries, also for creative purposes as well. I love the way these look when they load. Then you just move your finger around on the screen to navigate, to create your own. Either start a new capture and follow the steps on the screen, or you can take a normal video outside the app. Just walk around the scene, or if you're doing an object, you'll get the best results if you do multiple circles around it, each from different heights. Just upload it and let it render. Once it's finished, you can navigate around the scene right on your phone, or you can go to the web version on your computer. You can create custom videos using keyframes. You can guide the camera movement throughout the scene in any direction at any angle. Here's a really cool one I saw on Twitter. Here we have Immerse, an incredible AI-powered image search engine that won me over. Here's how I use it. Let's say I'm browsing through Etsy and stumble upon a trend for a particular poster inspired. I decide to create and sell my own poster. To get started, I save an image of a particular poster and upload it to Immerse. What Immerse will now do is use its internal AI search engine and browse the internet for me and find similar royalty-free links of similar posters that I'm allowed to download and sell as my own. Next in line is ToonTap, a delightful AI cartoon filter app. With a simple tap on your phone, it transforms ordinary photo portraits into captivating cartoons. Imagine yourself as a Disney Pixar character. Beyond the fun factor, there are practical benefits too. Cartoon portraits, for instance, boasts high click-through rates, making them ideal for YouTube thumbnails. A quick note though, while signing up, ToonTap might prompt you for a free trial of their Pro account. Simply cancel it and you'll seamlessly transition to their ad-supported free account. Now onto watermarkremover.io, our fourth pick. It's a lifesaver when dealing with pesky watermarks that often come with free AI image apps. Take for instance the watermark on this free image I snagged while experimenting with ToonMe. Thanks to watermarkremover.io, it's a breeze to erase the watermark and enjoy the image in its prime form. Free of charge, feel free to explore the other apps I've tested out as well. Next up we have Lumen 5, a remarkable text-to-video editor that won't cost you a dime. With Lumen 5 you can effortlessly transform text into engaging videos, making content creation a breeze. You might be familiar with these types of apps where you upload a video script and the app generates a video for you by piecing together free stock videos with text overlays. These apps also offer editing capabilities, allowing you to switch out video clips, choose new ones, change the music, and customize the appearance of the video scenes. Additionally, you can create both mobile and full-screen videos with ease. Lumen 5 is one such app that stands out, offering unlimited free video creation. However, it's worth exploring other similar free apps as well. Next up is Canva, a versatile AI-powered photo editing app. Let me tell you, I'm a huge fan of Canva for many reasons, not just for photo editing, but putting my biases aside, I genuinely believe it's one of the best free AI apps out there for this purpose. With Canva's AI technology, you can transform any photo into various styles of artwork with just a click. You can also apply a wide range of photo filters and use AI-powered tools to enhance your photos. But here's where it gets really exciting. Canva recently introduced a magic eraser tool that allows you to paint over objects you want to remove from a photo, and the AI will seamlessly edit them out. Additionally, there is a new magic edit tool that lets you paint over any element in a photo and ask Canva's AI to replace it with a new image. It's mind-blowing that these advanced features are currently available in their free account. You can also explore other AI photo editing apps to find the one that suits your preferences. Let's start with Erase.bg, our 7th pick, a fantastic AI background remover. While Canva offers a powerful AI background remover tool, it's unfortunately not available in their free account. Not to worry though, Erase.bg steps in to save the day. With Erase.bg, you can effortlessly remove backgrounds from images and download edited file in the same resolution as the original upload. What's impressive is that they don't require you to sign up, yet they deliver exceptional edits in high resolution. However, it's worth noting that each app may yield different results, so I would encourage you to test them all out and see which one aligns best with your needs. Moving on to our 8th app, Climpchamp, a free automatic video editor. Climpchamp simplifies video editing with its automatic editor. Simply drop in your video files, choose the desired video type, mobile or full screen, select your music, and let Climpchamp do the rest. With its AI technology, Climpchamp can apply various video filters and even remove backgrounds from videos. Additionally, it offers the convenience of auto-generate video captions, saving you valuable time. Don't forget to explore other free AI-powered video apps that I've tried out so that you can find the one which resonates with you the most. Next up, Character.ai, our 9th pick, a free AI chat app. Character.ai offers a plethora of characters to interact with, ranging from celebrities like Elon Musk to fictional characters like Mario. While it serves various purposes, the two most popular uses are as an assistant and as a free therapist. Unlike traditional assistants like ChatGPT, Character.ai's assistant engages in conversations in a more friendly and chatty manner, offering assistance and answering questions as if you had someone besides you. Moreover, many users appreciate Character.ai's role as a free therapist. It's remarkable how the AI therapist not only responds to questions, but also asks probing questions in return, mimicking the dynamic of real-life therapy sessions, but without the cost. In addition to Character.ai, I've explored several other AI-powered apps, each specializing in different areas. Let's take a look at our 10th pick, Stable Diffusion, an outstanding free AI art app. Stable Diffusion stands out as my favorite among other free AI art apps due to its incredible features. However, it requires installation to use. You have a couple of options for using Stable Diffusion. If your computer is powerful enough, you can install it locally, or you can utilize platforms like Google Colab. However, I must warn you, the installation process can be quite technical. I highly recommend following a free tutorial video on YouTube that simplifies the installation steps. But if you prefer to avoid the installation process altogether, I completely understand. In that case, I suggest trying out Blue Willow, which functions similarly to Stable Diffusion but integrates seamlessly with Discord for free. While Stable Diffusion and Blue Willow are both powerful tools, Midjourney still reigns supreme when it comes to creating artwork for selling purposes. If you're interested in learning how to use Midjourney to design products like t-shirts for profit online, be sure to check out the tutorial video linked in the description below. Now on to our 11th app, Replicate, an excellent free image upscaler. Using Stable Diffusion to generate pictures for prints can sometimes result in low resolution images, which can be a drawback. That's where Replicate comes in handy. It's a free image upscaler that increases the resolution of an image without compromising its quality. With its AI technology, Replicate intelligently adds extra pixels to upscale the image, ensuring high resolution for printing. However, it's worth noting that every time you use an AI image upscaler, there's a potential risk of creating image glitches. Therefore, it's advisable to explore other free upscaler apps to find the one that yields the results you prefer. Moving on to our 12th app, BrandCrowd, a free brand name generator. Whether you're launching a new business or starting a YouTube channel, coming up with a brand name can be challenging. With BrandCrowd, you can simply describe what your brand is about out, and it will utilize its AI technology to generate a variety of names for you. You can also explore other similar tools I've tested, some of which generate brand names based on keywords. Ultimately, it's a matter of personal preferences on which approach you prefer. Next, we have BigSpeak AI, a free text-to-speech app. BigSpeak AI offers a straightforward approach. With a free account, you can input up to 8,000 characters, select a male or female voice, and it will generate an AI voiceover for you to download at no cost. Interestingly, the male voice it produces bears a striking resemblance to the AI voiceover used by a successful YouTube Shorts channel. However, I found the options for free AI voiceover apps somewhat lacking. While Mic Monster provides more voices, they limit you to 300 characters per use, so it might suit your needs depending on your requirements. Moving on to our 14th app, Deep AI, an impressive free AI image restoration app. With the Deep AI, you can upload old black and white photos and it will add color to them for free. No sign up required. Additionally, you can utilize their enhanced tool to remaster the photo. Witnessing the transformation from a black and white photo to a restored one is truly astonishing. Especially considering this technology is now freely available, be sure to explore other free apps I've tested as well. Each offers slightly different results in recoloring photos, so it's worth trying them all to find your preferences. Okay, here we have TinEye, a free reverse image search subscriber for TinEye. My approach is simple. If I find a popular post on Etsy, I save and download the picture, then re-upload it to TinEye for reverse image searching. TinEye employs AI technology to search for other websites where a specific picture has been uploaded, allowing users to track its origins or see if it's been shared on specific platforms. Through this process, I discovered that the picture originally came from Pixabay and is a public domain photo, meaning I could use it and potentially resell it. Many other apps excel in this area, offering similar functionality. It ultimately boils down to personal preferences for the interface. Now onto our 15th app, ChatGPT, the ultimate free copywriter. ChatGPT needs no introduction. It's the AI app that revolutionized the world. If you're somehow new to this, just open it up and ask it to generate content on any topic you desire. It's truly mind-blowing, isn't it? The free version of ChatGPT offers incredible value, and while upgrading is a wise investment, the free version remains astonishingly powerful. However, I have a feeling it won't stay free forever, so I urge you to seize the opportunity while you can. Once it's transitions to paid model, consider exploring alternative apps. Now onto our 17th app, Fillout, a straightforward AI quiz maker. It's incredibly user-friendly. Simply paste a paragraph of information into the app and Fillout AI will analyze the text and generate a quiz based on it. Hosted on their website, no need to brainstorm questions yourself. You can then share the quiz with others and even customize it to your liking. You have the flexibility to customize the layout and various widgets and tweak the design of Fillout quizzes for free. These quizzes are commonly used by businesses for lead generation and are invaluable tools for educators like teachers and tutors. Additionally, there are other quiz makers worth exploring for different features and functionalities. Now onto our 18th app, AI Text Classifier, an intriguing free AI checker. AI Text Classifier developed by OpenAI accurately discerns whether text is likely written by a human or AI. I tested it. I personally penned out for this video and it correctly identified it as human-generated content. However, a notable downside is that it requires at least 1,000 characters, equivalent to about 150 to 250 words on average. If this requirement doesn't suit your needs, consider exploring other AI checkers instead. Introducing our 19th app, Grammar Checker, an intuitive free AI proofreader. I was impressed by its simplicity. Just paste your text and the app performs a thorough grammar and spelling check, correcting any errors it finds. Additionally, you can utilize the paraphrasing tool to condense your text significantly without losing any essential information. The summarizing tool is also handy for quickly generating bullet points from text. However, it's worth noting that each app I tested had a character or word limit, so I recommend registering for all of them to maximize your usage. Moving on to our final app, Let's Foodie, a free recipe generator. It's incredibly straightforward. Input the ingredients you have on hand or want to use up, and Let's Foodie will generate a personalized recipe for you to try. It's an excellent solution for utilizing random leftover ingredients lurking in your fridge. You can also explore other recipe generators to find the one that best suits your taste preferences. Now I'm curious, what was your favorite app? Let me know in the comments below. And if you're interested in learning how to start an online business for free using ChatGPT, don't forget to watch my next video on the screen here. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. And please like, share and subscribe.